So I got COVID about 2 months ago, and I got a cough. Every time I get a cold or something like that, I get a cough, and COVID was no exception. And I had COVID before, and I got cough too, just congestion, cough. Didn't lose taste or anything like that, but it was like a real bad cold, maybe like a flu-like symptoms. Here it comes again, and I always get that little itch right in the base of my throat. And like I said, I got it 2 months ago, and I still have the cough. Well, a friend of mine from work told me about this, and this is for children. It really works great. It doesn't have any chemicals in it. It's supposed to be all natural, no medicine, and it's been kind of keeping my cough back. I can feel it. It wants to come, but if y'all get a chance, check it out. Probably be at a health food store. Enjoy.